Alright, so let's go through this demo and let's see how automated AI can help you improve your business or start an entire business from scratch. So you're probably familiar with its most known feature, which is to generate ebooks in one click. You can now generate the entire novels and maybe copy the Shakespeare tone if you want. You can you can do a lot of different things, but most of you probably don't know how to use these prompts that you're seeing on your screen right now, and let's debunk those. You can use a lot of different things to generate anything social media, and if you need anything that you are not seeing over here, you can reach out to me, and I encourage you to do so because we'll then improve. Reach out to me and tell me, hey Stefan, I need, I don't know, YouTube meta description writer or whatever. I need the LinkedIn promotional ad copy, and we'll add the feature the same day. So I encourage you to reach out to me if you need any of the features that are missing. But let's see what actually these features do, right? For example, there are different things like blogging related, email marketing, outreach, and you can see different categories over here. You can sort them out, you can find a shortcut. If you are in ebook writing niche, you can just select the ebook and get all the ebook tasks over here. But let's go one by one, right? So for example, since this is about generating ebooks, right? Let's make it about generating ebooks. For example, let's say we don't have any niche idea for the ebooks we want to write, right? We can simply use this feature. So let's see how it works. This one, you don't have to write anything. You just need to select 3 variations. And I encourage you to use 3 variations always, because you'll get 3 different outputs and it will not cost you more. It will use just one prompt credit. So don't be scared, just use 3 variations. It uses 1 credit. Leave this by default checked and click on the generate button. In a few seconds, you'll get some niche ideas for your ebooks. They're informational ebooks, which is this feature over here, or they're novels. If you want to write a novel like Shakespeare or I don't know, any other writer, famous writer, you can simply generate novels. You don't have to go with the informational books. I like informational books because they solve some problems, and when there are some problems to be solved, there is some money to be earned, right? Because you're practically solving people's problems to get paid. So I prefer generating ebooks, but if you're more a novel guy, you can generate novels as well. So we got our niche ideas, right? We got 3 variations over here, and we can just go through all of these and figure out what we should do in our life. Stick with one niche, don't go too broad. So let's say I like the relationships and dating. After going through all of this, let's say I found myself in relationships and dating. So we're gonna go to prompts back again, and since we have our niche, which is relationships and dating, and I said you don't want to go too broad, you're just gonna use this feature to find some sub niche ideas, right? Again, select 3 variations to get the most out of the output, to get 3 outputs actually. And once you select the generate button, you'll see the sub-niche ideas pretty quickly. It takes around 10 seconds to generate these outputs, which are, by the way, always unique, always plagiarism free. You can use them to whatever you need. You can sell them. You can do this for clients. For example, if there are some people looking for outlines or anything, you can simply generate it and sell it as your own. You can use it freely. So don't be scared, this is completely unique. So let's say relationship and dating is our niche, we want to find something more specific, like relationship skills and techniques. I think I like this one. So that's the sub niche of the entire dating, right, like relationship skills and techniques. Let's go to prompts back again, and now we wanna let's actually sort it out like this. Now we want to find some topics, because you don't want to just write one book in the niche and then try to sell it, because you need to build authority around your topic. You need to create as much content as you need around your topic to be considered at all, not just one book. You need to build your authority in the niche. So let's say we want to find some topic ideas, and we already have our sub niche, which is relationship skills and techniques, right? Let's select 3 variations and generate. In a few seconds you'll get a list of topic ideas that you can simply copy and paste, save them somewhere, and you want to go through each of these topics when creating ebooks. You want to create one book on the first topic, another book on the second topic, etc. So we have elevate your communication. You can create one book about communication. You can create one book about like active listening. You can create another book on conflict resolution. So you just need to start one by one. Basically, you can find all the titles over here. You can find another output over here. You can find the third one, which even gives you some hints on what the book is going to be about. So you can simply take any of these titles, and if you don't like the title, for example, you can click on let's sort it out. You can click on the title ideas, paste the basic title you have or the title that you don't actually like, set it for 3 variations, and generate some improved title ideas. So if you don't, this is just if you don't like your own titles. So the art of constructive communication, building and sustaining healthy relationship. This is something I like to do when coming up with topic idea. I don't just write dating over here, right? You need to find some ideas. You need to find something that's really interesting, and you need to find a lot of ideas, because you want to create up to, I don't know, 60, 70 or 100 books and then post them. It sounds a lot, but it's not, because this tool really speeds up everything for you. Of course, you will have to just tweak some things a bit. For example, sometimes tool will not give you what you like. For example, let's say we want to generate ebook outline, and let's say we don't like the outline. Let's say we had something else in mind, or we're expert on dating and we want to include our own outline. Of course, you can tweak things out. You can create your own outline and paste it into, you'll see over here the block where you can edit the entire outline. You don't have to actually follow the tool blindly. You can tweak things, you can change them. Nothing is set in stone. So this is the editor that you're gonna probably spend most of your time, meaning 3 minutes probably. And depending on what you put over here will affect your book length. It will affect the quality of your book. So currently I like this outline. It's well structured. It has a lot of useful subchapters. These are subchapters, these are chapters. So I like this one. But let's say if I didn't like it, I could easily generate another ebook outline. Or you can, let's open another window. you can simply go to ebook and you can use this one to get as many outlines as you can possibly get. For example, you can get the outline from here, and then you can paste it as your own over here, or you can simply generate it again over here. It will not cost you any credits. So yeah, this by default creates books up to 80 to 100 pages, sometimes a bit more. But if you want even more pages of content, you can simply include more chapters. The more chapters you include, the bigger the book. So I wouldn't suggest going over 20 chapters, but anything up to 20 chapters is okay. And let's say we like this outline. Let's say we like it. We could have done something else. We could have used the target audience, which is people interested in dating. And let's say we want to create some engaging, witty tone, but let's just use engaging for now. And let's say we want to generate engaging book, engaging outline and everything. You can use these features. They're pretty cool. All you need to do is just click on the button once you like the outline, and the book will be generated for you in approximately 20 minutes or less. So as you can see, it has a lot of sub-chapters. So I guess you can increase the length of the book just by adding sub-chapters. You don't even have to go with chapters. You just need to add a couple more sub-chapters in each of these. So all you have to do is start writing the book, and just don't close the tab. That's the only thing. Once done, you can download your book like this. It downloads it as PDF, but you can convert it to Word document or any other format you need. As you can see, it creates images, it creates content with bullet points and everything. So you can test it out, you can play with it, you can convert each of these books by using those online converters like PDF to Word, and you can then add it to the Word document. This takes approximately 10 seconds to convert, right? What you can do next, you can open up even more windows. You can generate a few books at a time. So you can basically get 3 books in less than 20 minutes. You can just go to the next topic. Let's say we have another topic ready because we copied it from the prompt that we previously generated over here from topic title ideas, right? So you can just queue several books at once. Similarly, generate novel feature works like generate ebook feature. This time we want to use different prompts, right? For example, there are these novel ideas, novel title ideas, novel outline. All work pretty much the same to these ebook features. Other than that, you can use all of these prompts to create entire landing pages for your book if you want to sell it on your own website. You can analyze competitors' articles. You can create entire copies using these frameworks, reach out emails. You can generate FAQ answers, Facebook ad copies, scripts, or you can brainstorm the entire digital products, right? So let's say we have no clue what we're gonna do. We're stuck, right? So you can use this target audience brainstorm Just leave it blank, use 3 variations, and you'll get some ideas on the digital products or niches that you might be interested in. So the idea is to solve a problem that somebody has and then charge for it. We want to find first the audience whose problems we want to solve, right? So we can do any of these. Trust me, within every niche there is a digital product that you can create and sell. You don't have to sell it on some platforms. You can create your own website. It takes really no effort and time to create a website nowadays, and you can even find somebody to do it for you cheaply. Let's go with travel enthusiasts. Let's go back to prompts and then go to target audience problems. So we want to find a problem that we want to solve, right? So over here you just put in your travel enthusiasts as target audience. Select 3 variations, click on the generate button, and you'll get 10 to 15 problems that travel enthusiasts have. Then we're gonna pick one of the problems and we're gonna try to solve it by offering a digital product like budget constraints. That might be one. People are sensitive on budget constraints. Okay. Jet lag and fatigue. Okay, let's use this one. This is the most unrealistic one, right? So let's see what we can get. For example, problem of jet lag and fatigue of travel enthusiasts. Let's select 3 variations and brainstorm our digital product. Let's see what it gets. So you can not only use it to generate things for your clients or for yourself. You can use it to get some ideas of what you can actually create or do or improve. Online jet lag, no. Jet lag relief ebook, for example, we could do that. So you can do a lot of things. You can just experiment with these prompts, see what you can use. Again, if you need anything, for example, if you're a blogger or you're an influencer, you can simply search for your niche over here. Let's say something related to Facebook, you'll find Facebook. Something related to SEO, you'll find SEO related stuff, and similar. If there's no task that you'd like to see, just reach out to me and I'll get it up and running in no time. Once your ebooks and novels are done, you can find them over here. You can remove them or download them. It's up to you. So I hope this was helpful, and I have one more bonus for you. To the first 10 people who reach out to me, I'll be giving a free course on ebook creation. So be fast, react fast, reach out to me, and I will be sending you the credentials your way. So thanks for watching, and let's keep in touch.